this one, guys. I ended up, it was snowing this morning pretty heavily. We got 2 inches of snow around Mount Airy, and thought I heard a train westbound. I saw a train going westbound as I was on Interstate 70. Turns out it met this train in Mount Airy. The westbound had nothing really special on it. I went out for freshness to try and see it, not realizing there was an eastbound. And I missed out on my snow shots of this train in Woodbine. By the time I could get turned around, the train was already in Woodstock, so I had to come all the way down here. But train seekers on YouTube, they were able to see it. They let me know it had good stuff and was worth chasing to St. Denis. So all these tankers that have passed by so far have been liquefied petroleum, or propane accessories. Got lumber. Interesting graffiti on this car. Refrigerator unit. Couple empty tankers right there. Canadian Pacific, a couple Maryland Midland, which I believe are cement hoppers. Might be wrong though. Going to work over in Baltimore, which is the direction it's going, so it's kind of slowing down. 1268, I believe that's paint or paint thinner. Railroad strike stuff, I guess that's from about a year ago. We got our DPU set. $45.69, nice. Bunch of these scrap metal gondolas and more cement. Two empty tankers. $18.30 hazard placard. Lumber, of course. And more propane. $12.68 again. said this one has to stop at the next signal, so it's going to be crawling. Hopefully I don't get trapped on this side. I'm parked on the other side. These are all a mix of 1075 hazard placards and 1268s. Interesting looking center beam. It's a CSX one, but this looks a lot thicker on the ends. Well, I'm not trapped, so that's always good. I guess if I was, I'd be forced to see any trains to come by, and I mean, that ain't a bad thing after all. There's the end of train device. See on the back. It'll come to a stop somewhere up there just a little bit. Hope you all have a wonderful day and enjoyed that video. Certainly enjoyed catching it. I want to thank you all for your continued support. At the time of filming this, I recently hit right around 500 subscribers, maybe 514 now, but sincerely appreciate that. You know, I don't make any money from this, but it's nice to know that there's many other people in the hobby that enjoy this as much as I do. So, thank you all so much. Keep the tracks nicer than you found them. Pick up that litter, everyone. Adios.